Welcome. This is Luvisia Digital, and in this video we are going to look at how you can apply pension online. Now, since the details for my clients cannot be able to, I cannot use my details of my client to demonstrate this. I'm just going to give you a procedure on how you can do this. All right. So let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to know that we have a categories of people who are eligible to apply pension online. Not everyone is allowed to do that. So I'm going to give the categories. If you fall in these categories, or if you are a person you want to claim the pension falls in this category, then you can really proceed. So the first category is state officer. We have member of parliament, civil servant, any civil servant, teacher employed by TSC. We have the Kenya Defence Forces, police, the National Police Service, prison service, or NYS. So all these are categories of the professions or jobs whose members can be able to apply pensions online. And the application, of course, is on Nssf website. All right, that's the first. If they are primary, if you are yourself, and if you have a dependent, so be a dependent of principal pensioner who served in any of the above services. So if you are dependent of any person who served this and you want to claim pensions, then of course you can do them. You can apply the pension online. All right, we are done with the category. So let's look at the requirements you need, either as a dependent or as a primary a person who really want to apply the pension. So the first thing is the scanned copy of your national ID. So you need it in a front and back, but it needs to be in a PDF format. All right, because you are going to attach it on online. So you need it, you can go to a website, you scan it, and they send you as a PDF format. Or when you are applying, they will scan and then they attach it there. A scanned copy of your bank. So if you are receiving money through a bank or through a SACCO card, depending with how are you paying the pension. If you are paying through bank or SACCO, then of course you'll have to print either of the two, either of them. And so they've said the account number and name must be legible. It means now they have to match. Whatever is on the bank account is what is on the UID, and also this should be in a PDF format. The next one is scanned birth certificate. If now you are dependent, you need a birth certificate. Your birth certificate, you scan it in a PDF format. And if you are applying also, if for example they've said death certificate for dependents of deceased pensioners. So if you are the person you are going to claim the pension died, then you need their death certificate. All right. Tax exemption certificate if applicable. So this is not mandatory. And then we have a valid email address and phone number. So the two. Then once you have all these requirements with you, then we need to go to the next step. So the next step is the creation of an account. So you'll visit the Nssf and you click on online application, and during the application you'll be requested to use your email address. You use your email address and you create your password. It's very simple like that. So after creating the two, then they will say to log in. Then you log in. After logging, this is how now the process you'll undergo during the application. So the first thing, the registration process is divided into sections. And once you finish one section, just press next. Yeah, right. So field marked with, if you see the asterisk, all right, the something like a star is a mandatory. You cannot skip that. So there are places you will need to upload all documents I've said. Then after that, they'll ask you to review. After reviewing, you also submit and ensure that all things are matching. Once you submit, they can tell you you are free. In case you made a mistake, you can go and review. But I will urge you that during the review process, ensure that your documents are correct. Now, if you provide false information, it will take you years, and you're difficult to change, because they might think you wanted to con them. So you have to ensure that whatever you provide is correct. So this is a summary of how the process happened, because I cannot use my client's details to show you on the screen during the application, but I think this is a clear information. If you save this video and during the process you follow what I've been just giving you as guidelines, then of course you'll be able to navigate the process of applying pension online. And if you like this content and other related contents that I usually post on this YouTube channel, kindly consider to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you have any question or any inquiry or an appreciation. Then I'll be able to respond to it. And also it's good to support this YouTube channel. See you in my next video, and